If you think education is expensive, try ignorance. I repeat, if you think education is expensive, try ignorance. It's a quote by John Hattie. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khalid, and in this informative tutorial, I want to share very important knowledge on visible learning. Friends, in 21st century of modern technological world, visible learning plays a very important role. Before moving on to the topic, I would like to tell you something about myself, a brief about myself. I have got 14 years of work experience in the area of teacher training, corporate training, teaching business management, teaching economics, and I have been certified by Microsoft, Pearson, IBDP in these areas. So from all this experience, I am sharing this video tutorial with you, and in this video tutorial, you will go in different aspects of visible learning. I will share the dimensions of visible learning and why there is a need for visible learning to learn. Now, I will tell you the meaning of visible learning. Visible learning, friends, focuses on what new skill or knowledge you will learn or you should learn. Visible learning focuses on that how you can overcome your weaknesses, how you can improve on your strengths, and how you can share that new skill or new set of knowledge with your students, with your teachers. Say for example, if I have learned coding at this age, I am learning coding as a teacher, as an instructor, and I am sharing coding with my students, with my colleagues, with my family members, and they are able to learn it, and they are giving me a feedback that how I was able to teach them, how that skill was useful to them. That is a part of visible learning. Now, in visible learning, friends, the most important aspect is how you are setting your learning goals. Like, I have started learning coding, and after 3 months, I have cleared level 1 of coding. After 6 months or 1 year, I have cleared level 2 of coding. So, visible learning tells you that you should assess your knowledge. After assessing your knowledge, you should go for sharing that knowledge in a collaborative way so that you can teach to others that what you have learned so far. After that, you take the feedback from your students, from your colleagues, from your group circle, from your social circle, that how was your skill, like how you have developed your skill, how you are able to share that knowledge, how you are able to share that skill. This is all part of visible learning. I want to tell you the benefits of visible learning. There are 3 benefits of visible learning. Number 1 benefit of visible learning, as an instructor, as a student, you will develop critical thinking skills. Number 2 benefit is you will develop problem solving skills. And number 3 benefit is that you will develop decision making skills. When you develop critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, and decision making skills, it helps in your teaching and learning. It helps in delivery of your knowledge. It helps in gaining more knowledge, gaining more information, and imparting the same to your audience. So friends, when you are getting these 3 benefits, critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making, it is going to ease the problem. It is going to solve the problem of learning. It is going to solve the problem of retaining the knowledge. So the idea behind visible learning is that you should do it with a consistency. You should do it with an interest in it. If you are doing it with a pace of easiness, with a pace of doing it with joy, if you are doing it with consistency, then visible learning becomes easy, and you will be very happy to learn a new skill, to share that skill with someone else as an instructor, and you will be gaining a lot of confidence as well. So these are the 3 benefits of visible learning. So friends, I am really thankful to you to stay in this tutorial so far. We have reached to the final part of this tutorial. I will conclude the tutorial at what I have taught you and what we have learned so far together in this tutorial. So once again, thank you for being a patient audience. And in this tutorial, I have taught you and we have discussed about what is the meaning of visible learning. Second, we have learned about what are the benefits of visible learning. Third, we have learned how you can develop visible learning. So these three areas, these three dimensions of visible learning we have covered in this tutorial. Friends, it's my humble request to you to please share your feedback on how we can improve. If you have got doubts in this topic or any topic in the areas of business management, economics, teacher training, then please do contact me on teachingandcoaching2020@gmail.com. Your feedback will be very valuable to me. And once again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial.